Greetings, young pearls! Join us on an exciting adventure with the thrilling journey of forest and zoo animals in a sandbox where children can explore, learn, and play with their favorite animals. This interactive experience combines fun and education as kids dive into a world filled with forest creatures, discovering fascinating facts and engaging in hands on activities. Jump right in. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds. The fascinating life of flamingos. The pink or reddish color of flamingos comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet, primarily from algae and crustaceans. The intensity of their color can vary depending on their diet and habitat. Let's dive into the unique world of roosters. Roosters can be territorial and may establish a pecking order within the flock. There are numerous breeds of chickens, each with its own unique characteristics, including variations in size, fierce guardians. The role of tiger. The tiger is a rare animal that is essential to the variety and health of an ecosystem. At the top of the food chain, it is a top predator. As a result, the existence of tigers in the forest is a sign that the ecology is healthy. Tiger conservation in forest. Our next stop, the beautiful duck. There are over 120 different species of ducks, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Ducks are omnivores and have a varied diet that includes aquatic plants, small fish, insects, and even small amphibians. The surprising facts about chickens. Chickens are one of the most populous bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. It is a good source of lean protein. The vibrant life of ring-tailed beauties. Ring-tailed lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar, which is the only place in the world where lemurs are found naturally. They are omnivores with a diet that includes a variety of fruits, leaves, flowers, and insects. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals or birds occasionally. Navigating the skies of geese. Geese are known for forming monogamous pairs that often stay together for life. If one mate dies, the surviving goose may find another partner. Domestic geese are derived from wild species and have been raised by humans for centuries. Next animal feature is the horse. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. The thoroughbred is known for its speed and is a popular breed for horse racing. Horses have a unique dental structure. Their teeth continue to grow throughout their lives, and horses are herbivore animals. Unleashing the furry friend dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. The hormone oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, increases in both humans and dogs when they interact positively. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the Border Collie. Next animal is enigmatic hippopotamus. Contrary to their fearsome reputation, hippos are herbivores. They mainly feed on a grass and their diet consists of about 80 to 90 pounds of vegetation per day. Hippos are known for their territorial nature and are considered one of the most aggressive animals in Africa. The secret lives of crocodiles. Crocodiles are found in tropical regions across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. They inhabit freshwater environments like rivers, lakes, marshes, and mangrove swamps. Crocodiles are carnivorous predators. They primarily feed on fish, appreciating the diversity of spiders. Spiders belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes scorpions and mites. They are not insects but are arachnids, sharing certain common features like having 8 legs. Spiders are known for producing silk. Unveiling the crowned beast lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa and a small population exists in the Gir Forest National Park in India. They typically inhabit grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Lions are known for their love of sleep. Living in harmony with zebra. Grave zebra are the largest and most endangered species of zebras. They are native to Eastern Africa and are known for their thin stripes and large ears. The plain zebra is the most common and widespread species. Zebras are adaptable animals. A journey into goat habitats. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans. Around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, goats are known for their various vocalizations, including bleats, grunts, and snorts. Each sound has a different meaning. Meet the tallest resident giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with males standing up to 18 feet 5.5 meters tall to pump blood all the way up to its brain. A giraffe's head can weigh up to 25 pounds. Both male and female giraffes have horns. Spellbinding world of polar bear. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. The primary diet of polar bears is seals. The trail of the mighty elephant. Elephants inhabit a range of environments, including savannas, forest, and grassland. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as either vulnerable or endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia. Rendezvous was with the Arctic reindeer. Reindeer have several physical adaptations for cold environments, such as a thick double-layered coat that provides insulation against the cold and a specialized nasal structure that warms the air before it reaches their lungs. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Reindeer are known scientifically as Rangifer tyrannus. Thank you for your time and attention. Thrilling journey of forest and zoo animals in a sandbox. Learning fun for children episode. Subscribe now for the thrilling journey of forest and zoo animals in a sandbox. And enjoy a day of exploration, learning, and creativity with some of the world's most fascinating creatures. Don't miss our future muddy escapades. Farewell, little pearls.